How to deactivate call forwarding from any phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Phone app on your device. Here, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find all these options in here. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, simply scroll down in Settings and click on Calling Account. After you've clicked on Calling Account, click on Call Forwarding, which is the first option. After you do that, here click on Always Forward. Click on it. Then, if there is any number here, simply delete all the number and press on Turn Off at the bottom. After you do that, call forwarding will be deactivated. This is how to deactivate call forwarding from any phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.